Hello friends, welcome to Free Cryptocurrency channel. In today's video, we will discuss about a new project which is called Radar. What is Radar? Today there are many people who are adopting cryptocurrency. This is because of the various features it's offer. But the problem now is that with the increasing number of tokens, there are also more DEX platforms in the crypto market, which makes it difficult for crypto user to choose a DEX platform that is profitable for them. That's why most crypto user nowadays choose to use an assets management platform, because with this platform user can find out which DEX platform is profitable for their trading. And this is what Radar offers, namely an ecosystem composed of a several components which help crypto user in managing their assets and make them more profitable in their trades. Radar has a feature that will help user in finding the DEX for their trading, and not only that, there are several other features that will be very useful for crypto user globally. Radar is a single application that supports multiple chains for all user transactions. With more than 15 protocols, Radar will bring user better DeFi experience than ever before. User can carry out various crypto activities easily, whether it's providing liquidity, lending, etc. Radar is a platform that will help user in managing their assets. The feature offered by Radar enable user to be able to manage their assets for intelligently and profitably than without using Radar. User can experience a better DeFi experience at a more affordable cost. But that's not all. There are several other features of Radar. Invest. User can choose from dozen of different wallet types, from yield wallets to trading wallets, lending wallets, and even NFT wallets, and start earning easily with just one click. Stake. To earn passive income, user can stake their token on the provided stake program. User can have the opportunity to earn with APY up to 10%. Build. User are given the opportunity to be able to create their own wallets and become an index of other wallets. Find subscriber or make it easier for people in their portfolio. Tokenomics. As a crypto assets management platform, of course, Radar will launch a cryptocurrency that will facilitate user transactions on the platform. The Radar platform allows users to be able to obtain this token through supported exchanges. This coin, known as the Radar token, are token that can be used by user for various purposes such as stacking, fees, etc. This is the native token of Radar that will further support the development and the operation of the platform. Hope you will enjoy the short review of Radar. Meet you again with new another bounty projects. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.